Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic color grading in Capcut. No plugins, no advanced software, just Capcut and your creativity. Okay, let's get started. First, just create a new project, then add your video. Once it's added to your timeline, just slide a little where you want to start applying the color grading. Now tap on the filters, this one. This feature is perfect if you want to click color grade, because this is where the magic happens. So let's try a few cinematic looks. First, go to the movie sections, and then choose Sicily, this one, and set the intensity up to 100. Then tap done. Next, go back to filters and just search for radiant. Just tap it. This filter will give your video a warm glowing effect. Then just tap done. Like this, already looks cinematic, right? But we're not stopping here. Let's add orange color grading. But first, remove the current filters. And then just go back to the filters again. Then search for rich color. This one. This is a filter, the orange tint filter. Then adjust the intensity as you like. Just switch your videos. And then search for a filter called pumpkin. This one. And set it around 66. Like this. And now your video has an orange film-like tone. Then let's try a dark cinematic grade, but remove the current filter first. Then go to the filters again, and then movies. Then scroll down and select a filters that give you a dark blue or a shadowy tone. I will choose Twilight. And I will set it around 65, and then done. Then apply another filter like Bad Bunny, this one, and max out its intensity, like this. This grading will add depth, shadows, and high contrast. It's perfect for cinematic drama. And for bonus tips, you can also use a color matte. Just go to the adjust, and then this one, color matte. Just tap on it. This feature will match the color from any photo or screenshot that you upload. So just go to the upload and upload a photo or a screenshot with the color style that you like. I will choose this one. So Capcut will automatically apply those tones to your video instantly, and you can adjust the intensity too. It's that simple and looks amazing. Okay, that's it. With just a few filters and smart tools, you can create a professional looking cinematic color gradings all in Capcut. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!